Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and doing revision. We have started revision of English for Essay 1 exam. We have done fill in the blanks of all this lesson and poem 2 and 5. And today again we will do revision of all these FB. Fill in the blanks so that it will be a revision for you. Okay children? So now see, you have to give me answers. Okay? Now you all know the spelling also. So you can give answers. Are you ready? Yes. So today, what we will do? Revision of, we will revise, fill in the blanks. Okay? This fill in the blanks of all the lesson and poem all together. Okay? You are doing 2 days. But this we will do. Today we will do all 4 lessons and 2 poems all together. Okay children? Yes. So you all are ready to give me answers now? Now you all have learned also. Okay? So this is your revision. Now see, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Shruti is 6 years old. Shruti is how many years old? Can you tell me how many years old? Yes. Shruti is, very good. Now you all know, no? You have done revision many times. Shruti is 6 years old. See, I am showing you 6 years old. Remember this. Shruti is 6 years old. You have written all the fill in the blanks in the fair book. No, all fill in the blanks. You have to learn it. Okay, children? Number 2. Shruti rides her bicycle every, what will come here in the blank? Shruti rides her bicycle every, yes, what will be the answer here? 2 options are given. Evening, morning. So when Shruti rides? Shruti rides her bicycle every, very good, evening. EVENING, evening. Shruti rides her bicycle every evening. Okay children? Now see number 3. The bicycle is orange and yellow, red and yellow in color. Now what is the color of bicycle? You all remember, no? Shruti's bicycle. The bicycle is, do you know what color it is? Orange and yellow, red and yellow. 2 options are given. And this is in your textbook also. The bicycle is orange and yellow in color. Yes. You have learned this now? It is in your textbook. All these fill in the blanks with options. It is given in your textbook also. And you have written in your fair book also. Okay children? Now see. Number 4. The bicycle is bright and big shiny. 2 options are given. 2. The bicycle is bright and shiny too. Number 5. Shruti's father gives her a, what Shruti's father gives? Very good. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. See the spelling of helmet. Helmet. Yes. Read the sentence. Then give answer. Okay? Shruti's father gives her a helmet. Okay, children? Now see. A home can be made of sticks. You all know now. You know how to read this. Okay? And there is a blank. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Number 2 is then there is a blank. Can have a windmill above. What can have a windmill above? Very good. You all are knowing. What is the spelling? See here. A home can have a windmill above. We have learned in the poem, no? A home can have a windmill above. See now number 3. A home can be under the, there is a blank. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. Number 4 is a home can have a on its side. What a home can have? Very good. Yes, spelling of chimney. Do you remember? Yes, see the spelling. CHIMNEY. Chimney. A home can have a chimney on its side. Number 5 is you can be safe and sound in a, where you can be safe and sound? Do you remember? Very good. You can be safe and sound in a home. HOME, home. See, again we will read one time, okay? So you can read. You can read with me. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Number 2, a home can have a windmill above. 3, a home can be under the ocean. Number 4, a home can have a chimney on its side. Number 5, you can be safe and sound in a home. You all have learned this. Okay, children? Yes. So, now we will other fill in the blanks. Okay? Now see. Rahul is, there is a blank, years old. Rahul is how many years old? Rahul is, very good, 6 years old. 2 options are given. These fill in the blanks are also there in your book, textbook of English. Rahul is 6 years old. Okay, children, 2 options are given here. From that you have to write. Number 2 is Rahul loves. What Rahul loves? Do you know what Rahul loves? Very good. Rahul loves. Two options are given. So correct option is animals. Very good. Rahul loves animals. Cat and dogs were his friend, no? We have learned in the lesson. Rahul loves animals. Number 3. Fluffy plays with a. What Fluffy plays with? Two options are given. Bone, ball. Fluffy plays with a. Very good. Bone. Number 4 is Mimi. Now you all know who is Mimi. Very good. Mimi is a cat. Name of a cat. Cat's name is Mimi. So purrs. Two options are given. Barks. Sound that cat makes is purrs. So Mimi is a cat. So what will be the answer? Mimi. Very good. Mimi purrs. P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. Okay. Now see number 5. Fluffy wags or shakes. Very good. Fluffy is a dog. The dog's name is Fluffy. See the spelling? F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy wags his tail. So what will be the answer here? Yes, very good. Wags. W-A-G-S. Wags his tail. Okay, children. Now we will read once again. Read with me. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Rahul is 6 years old. Number 2 is Rahul loves animals. Number 3. Fluffy plays with a bone. Number 4. Mimi purrs. Number 5. Fluffy wags his tail. Okay, children. Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay, see, 2 options are given. From that you have to write the correct options. Okay, children? Yes. Now, yes, see, now fill in the blanks. Yes, of next lesson. See number 1. You all know what spelling is this? Very good. It is Swati. Swati is going to class. Which class she is going? You all know, no? You are also in that class only. Swati is going to class 1. You are also in first standard, no? Very good. Now see number 2. Tomorrow. See the spelling here? T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. Remember it, huh? Tomorrow will be her, then there is a blank, day in the new class. Tomorrow will be her. Tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Very good. Now see number 3. Swati enters the where she enters. Swati enters. E-N-T-E-R-S. Enters the. Swati enters the. Where Swati enters? Swati enters the classroom. Okay. Swati enters the classroom. Yes? Okay, see now number 4. Swati also makes. What she makes with others in the class? Yes. Swati also makes. Now you all know how to read. You all are fine. Yes, you are doing reading also at home. You are reading, no? So now you can read also. Swati also makes. What will come here? Very good. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends with others in the class. Understood, children? Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Now see number 5. Swati loves her. What she loves? She is going to school, no? So she has many friends also. But now Swati loves to read, loves to write. She loves her. Very good. Swati loves her teacher. See the spelling of teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Okay, children. See, we will read again this. Now, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Swati is going to class 1. Number 2. Tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Number 3. Swati enters the classroom. See the spelling of classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Number 4. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Number 5 is Swati loves her teachers. Swati loves her teachers. See the spelling. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Yes. Okay, children. Now you all have understood this? This fill in the blanks of this lesson? Very good. So we have done revision also. And you have learned also. If you have not learned, learn it well. Okay, children? Now see. Fill in the blanks. Little, then there is a blank. Loves to read. Little loves to read. Who loves to read? Very good. This is also lesson number 6. Yes. Who loves to read? Yes. You all know the answer. You also have learned the spelling also. Little. What little? Little ant loves to read. Ant was having a book, no, in the hand. Little ant loves to read. Okay, children. Now see number 2. Ant collect the, what ants collect? Ants collect the, do you remember what they were collecting? They were collecting for winter season, no? Very good. Ants collect the food. Now see number 3. Queen wants, what queen wants? To fill the store. Stores were empty. And the queen wants to fill the store. Queen wants, do you know what the answer is? Can anyone say? Yes, very good, those who are giving answer. Queen wants, what queen wants? Food, very good. Queen wants food to fill the store. Number 4 is a restaurant. A restaurant is a, then there is a blank, where people go to eat. A restaurant is a place. It is a place, no? Where people go to eat. Yes, it is the name of a place. Number 4, a restaurant is a place, P-L-A-C-E, place where people go to eat. Understood, children? A restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Now see number 5. Little ants baby, little ants baby, little ants baby, extend her hand. Little ants baby, the little ant was having a baby. Yes, do you remember? Tell me now this answer. She's extend her hand. Yes. Extend her hand. Little ant was reading book, no? Yes, it was loving to read. So, little ant's baby, little ant's baby, baby, very good. Tell the spelling. Very good. Little ant's baby, sister, extend her hand. Okay, children? Now you all have learned this also. We have done. See, again we will revise it. Little ant loves to read. Little ant loves to read. Little ant loves to read. Ants collect the food. See number 2. Ants collect the food. Number 3 is queen. Queen. Queen wants food to fill the store. Queen wants food to fill the store. Number 4, a restaurant is a place where people go to eat. A restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Now see number 5. Little ant's baby sister. Little ant's baby sister. Okay, remember this. Little ant's baby sister extend her hand. Yes, Little Ant's baby sister extend her hand because she also wants to read the book. Okay, children? Now see. Fill in the blanks. These blanks are of poem number 5. You remember the name of poem 5? Yes, very good. Now see, first blank you have to fill. Open a, what will come here? Open a, yes, very good. Open a book. B-O-O-K, book. Open a book. Number 2 is, you will find people and, see there is a blank, of every kind. You will find people and of every kind. You will find people and, do you remember? Places of every kind. You will find people and places of every kind. Number 3 is, you can be anything. See the spelling of anything? A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything that you can be anything that you want to be. You can be anything that you want to be. Okay, children? Number 4. You can share wondrous. What was wondrous? Do you remember this wondrous? It is coming in the poem, no? W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous. You can share wondrous words. W-O-R-L-D-S. Words. Okay, children? You can share wondrous words. Understood? See now number 5. You read to me. You read to me and I will to you. What will come here? Can anyone answer? You read to me and I will read to you. Okay, children? You read to me and I will read to you. Now see, we will revise again this. Open a book. Number 2 is, you will find people and places of every kind. Number 3 is, you can be anything that you want to be. Number 4 is, you can share wondrous words. You can share wondrous words. Now see number 5. You read to me. You read to me and I will read to you. I will read to you. Okay, children? I hope now you all have done all of the revision. Fill in the blanks of all lesson and poem also. Okay? So now you all will fill in the blanks now? Yes. So don't make mistakes in writing and giving answer. Don't make mistakes in giving answer. Write. Okay, children? So now if you have not learned, then learn it properly. Understand it well. Okay? So now, yes. Be safe at home. Do all the revision what we have given. Okay, children? So you will be able to give the exams properly and nicely and correctly. So learn it well, okay, and revise it again and again. Okay, children? Thank you.